Please be seated. Then we'll have to remove the chair, sir.
We can keep one chair. Let the demonstration be there. We can sit this corner also.
Let us getting ready for the mass demonstration of yoga first, before we go with all those formalities. Yoga physicians and instructor, please take your place. Yoga instructor and physician don't do, but we take those who know how to do. So they are able. We have Dr. Lily Papia, yoga and naturopathy physician, Civil Hospital Shillong. She will take the lead from here. And we have Dr. Bila Charmang, yoga instructor, 10-bedded Ayush Hospital, Bhorembong. She'll take the lead on the other room. A very good morning to each and every one of all of us, and we wish you a very happy Yoga Day, 10th International Yoga Day, and we welcome our chief guest, Dr. Jorambeda Sir, Commissioner and Secretary of Health and Family Welfare to the Government of Meghalaya, also Mission Director of National Ayush Mission. So we are going to start right now.
I'd like to request our chief guests and our invitees also to please join us in front. Everyone please stand up. Come to standing postures. Yes. Keep your legs a little bit apart, hands on the back in attention. Relax here in this posture. Just be mentally prepared for the yoga asana. Now we'll start. Hands on the hip. We'll start with the loosening exercise, that is the head and neck movement. We'll move the head up and down. So inhale, move the head up. Okay, inhale, move the head up. And then exhale, bend forward. Yes. Once again, inhale, move the head up. Exhale, bend forward. One more round. Inhale, raise the head up. And exhale, bend forward. Okay, now we'll start, now we'll practice the next one, that is neck bending. We'll bend to the right side first, your right side, okay? And then move the head up. And then bend to the left, move the head up. One more round, bend to the right, up, bend to the left, up. One more round, last round, bend to the right, straighten up, bend to the left, straighten up. Yes. Now next one, we'll turn twisting, neck twisting. We'll turn to the right side and then to the left. So turn to the right side and then turn to the front, turn to the left, turn to the front. Once again, turn to the right, turn to the front, turn to the left, turn to the front. One last round, turn to the right, to the front, turn to the left, and to the front. Yes, very nice. Now we'll practice next one, head rotation. Okay, we'll neck twisting. That is, move the head round and round. Move to the right side, bend forward. Yes, to the right, up, left, down. Once again, right, up, left, down. Okay, now next one, opposite direction. To the left first, up, right, down. Left, up, right, down. One more round, left, up, right, down. Okay. Now practice shoulder rotation. Now keep the hands on the shoulders. Yes, we'll move the shoulders. Okay, like this. Yes, very nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 rounds. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we'll move backward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Now we'll do, okay, twisting. Keep the hands in front. Okay. Now we'll turn to the right side first. Turn to the right. And then turn to the front. Turn to the left. Turn to the front. Very nice. One more round. Turn to the right. Turn to the front. Turn to the left. To the front. One more round. Turn to the right. Turn to the front. Turn to the left. Turn to the front. Very nice. Now keep the legs, hands the same position. Okay, hands same position. Keep the legs nearer apart. We'll practice like a sit-ups. Okay, just sit and stand. Yes. Practice 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Now hands down. Yes. Relax. That's it. Relax. Yes. That are loosening exercise. Okay. Just like a warm up. Relax now. Okay, we'll start now with the exercise, that is asana, the yoga postures. Okay, now keep the legs nearer, slightly nearer. Okay, collapse your hand in front. We'll practice Tadasana. From here, inhale, stretch the hand outward, stand on your toes, lift the heel up. Yes, hold here. Normal breathing, don't hold your breath, normal breathing. And now exhale, hands down. Okay, release the hand down. Yes, heel down. Yes, very nice. One more round, okay? Collapse your hand in front, then inhale, stretch your hand outward, stand on your toes. Here now, normal breathing in the final posture. Don't hold your breath, normal breathing. Now exhale, release the hand down, heel down. Yes, very nice. Relax again. Keep the legs apart. Yes, keep the legs apart, hands at the back, relax. Okay, now next posture, that is Vrikshasana or tree posture. Now we'll bend the right leg, your right leg, okay? Bend the right leg, keep it by the side of the left foot. Yes, balance. Now slowly raise both the hands up to 180 degree. Yes. Yes, join your hands together in front. Yes, now hold the posture. Stay there, normal breathing. Don't hold your breath, normal breathing. This is very good in balancing and also helps in concentration. You can look at one point, one fixed point. Now exhale, release the hand down. Yes, release the leg. Now I'll practice with the left side. Okay, bend the leg. Yes, again. Now slowly raise both the hands up to 180 degree. Yes, look at one fixed point. Yes, very nice. Maintain. Normal breathing. Now release the hands down. Release the leg. Yes. Relax. Okay. Now next one, triangular posture or Trikonasana. Now keep the legs 2 to 3 feet apart. Okay. More than your shoulder width apart. Okay. Yes. Now turn the right leg to the right side. Your right leg. Okay. Your right foot. Turn your right foot to the right side. Your right foot. Okay. This is my left. Okay. Turn to the right side. Right side. Okay. So from here, inhale, raise hand up to shoulder level. Yes. Exhale, bend to the right side. Your right side. Okay. Your right side. Yes, bend to the right side, catch hold of the ankle joint. Yes, you can look up or you can look directly in front. Stay there. Yes, normal breathing. Normal breathing. We'll hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Exhale, hand down. Now turn the foot front. Now turn the left foot to the left side. We'll practice it to the left side, okay? Inhale, raise the hand shoulder level. Exhale, bend to the left side. Yes, stay there. Normal breathing. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, hand down. Turn the foot front, nearer the legs. Yes, very nice. Relax. Okay. Now next one, we'll practice forward bending. Okay. Can keep not so much more nearer, but a little bit slightly like 2 to 3 inches apart. Okay. We'll bend forward. So inhale, raise both the hands up. Slightly bend backward, and then exhale, bend forward. Yes. Yes. Bend. You can reach wherever you want. Okay. Wherever you feel comfortable. No need to touch your toes also, but reach wherever you feel comfortable. Stay there, don't strain yourself. Don't strain yourself, stay there. Normal breathing. Now inhale, raise the head up. Raise the hand up. Yes. Exhale, hands down. Yes. That was forward bending. Relax. Now practice backward bending. Same position of the legs, that is keep the feet to 1 foot apart. Hands on the hips will bend backward. Okay. Inhale and exhale, bend backward. Okay, like this. Inhale and exhale, bend backward. Hold it. You will feel that there is some vibration. Just observe these vibrations. Now inhale, come up. Release the hand. Relax again. Yes, relax. Okay, now let's come to sitting down posture. Okay, sit down with the feet in front. Yes, this is called as Dandasana or a lock posture. Okay, this is a relaxing posture in sitting. Yes, relax here. Okay, we'll start now with the first posture in sitting, that is Bhadrasana. Bend both the legs together with the feet facing each other. Catch hold of your toes, okay, with the hands. Pull them towards nearer to the body, okay. And then with the help of the elbow, you can push the knees towards the floor and then bend forward. Okay, push the knees towards the floor, bend forward. Yes, this is like a hip opener. It also helps to release the tension or the emotional stress we have in our body and mind. Stay there. Just feel the stretch of the hips. Okay, head up. Yes, release the hand and then straighten the legs. Yes, very nice. Stay there again, relax in this Dandasana. Okay, now we'll come to Vajrasana. Bend the right leg first like this, and then the left leg. Come to Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Yes, sit on your toes. Sit on your heels. Keep the hands on the thighs. Yes, keep the back straight. This is Vajrasana. This is the only posture which you can practice after a meal. Otherwise, all the yoga posture you have to do it in empty stomach. Now come to kneeling down posture. Keep the knees apart. Yes, we'll practice Ushtrasana. That is backward bending or camel posture. So keep the toes stretched out. Yes, we'll bend backward. Inhale and exhale, bend backward. Okay, this is a simple one. Inhale and exhale, bend backward. Yes, those who are more flexible, they can touch the heel and then bend backward. Just like this. They can touch the heel and bend backward. If you cannot reach the toes, they can just catch hold of the hip and then just bend backward. Okay, inhale, come up. Yes, nearer the knees. Okay, nearer the knees. Sit back in Vajrasana. Yes, sit back in Vajrasana. Yes, relax. Very nice. Now practice Shashankasana. Now keep the knees apart. Okay, the legs same position at the back. Okay, both the toes touching together. Only the knees apart. Okay, from here, stretch the hand in front. Yeah, stretch it out. And then we'll try to touch the forehead to the floor. Okay, try to touch the forehead to the floor. Yes, relax here. This is Shashankasana. Relax here. Normal breathing. Now from here, raise the head up. Slowly slide the hands again back to the original position. Yes, back to the original position and nearer the knees. Yes, relax. Yes, nearer the knees, sit back in Vajrasana. Now we'll straighten the leg forward. Let's straighten the leg forward. Straighten the leg forward. Yes. Now we'll practice Adha Matsyentra. Okay. Bend one leg like this. Now with the right leg. Okay. With the with the left hand encircle the right leg. With the left hand encircle the right leg. Yes. The right hand on the floor. Turn to the right side backward. Sorry, this is Vakrasana. Okay, stay there. Just give us spinal twist. Now turn forward. Yes. Release the right hand and straighten the left hand and straighten the right leg. Now bend the left leg. With the right hand encircle the left leg. The left hand on the floor. Turn to the left side backward. Turn to the left side backward. Yes, very nice. This is very good posture for any indigestion of flatulence. Now turn front, release the right hand and straighten the left leg. Yes, relax. Now we'll lie down. Okay, we'll lie down in prone. Okay, lie down in prone. Yes. Now you can fold your hands. Fold your hands in front. Keep the forehead or the chin on the folded arms. You can keep your forehead or your chin on the folded arms. Relax. Okay, now we'll start with the Bhujangasana. Now keep the hands by the side of the chest. Keep the forehead on the floor. Okay, from here, inhale, raise the forehead, chin, chest up to the navel. Yes, raise the head up, raise up to the navel. Yeah, normal breathing, normal breathing. Now exhale, bend forward. Yes. We'll practice again once more. Inhale, raise the forehead, chin, chest up to the navel. Yeah, normal breathing. This is very good for back pain or any lumbar spondylitis or any slip disc. Prolapse of the disc. Now exhale, bend forward. Yes. Release the hand. Now release the hand. Then fold the hands in front again. Bend. Keep the forehead or the chin on the folded arms. Now next one. Make a fist of the hand. Make a fist of the hand. Yes. Now keep the hands, the fist, insert it under the thighs. Insert them under the thighs. Yes. Keep the forehead on the floor. We'll raise one leg up. That is Shalava Asana. We'll raise one leg up first. You can raise the right leg first. Yes. Raise the right leg first. Stay there. Normal breathing. Now exhale. Leg down. Yes. Now we'll raise the left leg. Inhale, raise the left leg up. Now normal breathing. Hold the posture. You can support the hips with the fist. Now exhale, leg down. Now we'll try to raise both the legs up. Yes. Very nice. Yes. Now legs down. Take out your hands. Again. Fold your hands and keep the forehead or the chin on the folded arms. Relax in this posture. Now we'll lie down in supine. Okay, we'll lie down on the back. Turn the body. Lie down on your back. Okay, keep the legs slightly apart, hands by the side of the body. Relax. Hands by the side of the body. Okay, this is a Shavasana or the relaxing posture in supine. Okay, we'll practice with Setubandhasana or bridge posture, nearer the legs together. Then bend the legs at the knees, both the legs at the knees, hands by the side of the body. Keep the knees slightly apart or keep your legs slightly apart. Okay. So from here, this is a starting posture. From here, you inhale, raise the hip up. Inhale and then raise the hip up. Yes, inhale, raise the hip up. Yeah, very nice. Stay there, normal breathing. Very nice, normal breathing. Raise the hip up. From your exhale, hip down. Yes. We'll practice it one more round. Okay, once more. So inhale, raise the hip up. Yeah, stay there. Normal breathing. Normal breathing. Exhale, hips down. Now straighten the legs. Straighten both the legs. Yes, relax. Now we'll practice next one, that is Pavanamuktasana or gas releasing posture. Now bend both the legs at the knees. Yes. Lift the knees up and then catch hold of your knees. Okay. Raise the forehead or the head up. Raise the head slightly up. If you feel too much pressure, you can keep your head on the floor also, no problem. But just hold the legs tighter. Stay there, maintain. Okay, head down. Release the hand and straighten the legs. Okay, relax. Keep the legs apart. Relax. So these are the yoga postures which we have practiced. Just relax in this Shavasana. Shavasana is also called as the dead corpse pose. Now nearer the legs together. Now raise the right hand up. We'll come to sitting down posture. Okay. So raise the right hand up above the floor. Keep it on the floor. Above the head. Keep it on the floor. Only the right hand. Only the right hand. Now bend the left leg at the knee. Bend the left leg at the knee. Now turn to the right side. Turn to the right side with the support of the left hand on the floor. Come up. Now come up. Come to sitting down posture. Come to sitting down posture. Yes. Now sit in meditative posture. Yes. Sit meditative posture. Fold your legs. Yes. So this is a meditative posture or Sukhasana. Yeah. Keep the hands on the knees. Any posture of the hand, you can just keep it straight or like bending down. Okay. Back straight. Now close your eyes. Sit in this posture. We'll practice a pranayama, that are breathing exercise, okay, or the breathing technique. So the first one is Kapalabhati, that is active exhalation and passive inhalation. So we'll concentrate only on exhalation, exhaling. You inhale, take a deep breath, and while exhaling, make a forceful exhalation, okay? Yes. You can practice up to 20 to 30 strokes at a time, okay, with one inhalation. Yes. Okay, you can relax. Once again, inhale deeply and then exhale forcefully. After exhaling, relax. That was Kapalabhati. Okay, it's like cleansing the upper respiratory system. It helps to increase the oxygen in the body and throw out all the carbon dioxide. We'll practice the next breathing technique, that is Nari Shuddhi. So here we have to adopt one mudra, Nasikagram mudra. You can fold the index finger and the middle finger. We'll use the thumb and the ring finger. Okay, ring finger and the middle finger. That is only on the right hand. So close the right nostril with the right thumb. Okay, we'll inhale through the left nostril. Let's inhale all together. Okay, inhale from the left nostril. Take a deep breath. Hold the breath. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the right nostril and exhale the breath through the right nostril. Yes. Again, inhale from the right nostril. Hold the breath. Close it with the thumb and then exhale. Release the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Yes. That is one round. We'll practice 3 more rounds. Okay, inhale from the left side. Hold the breath, close it with the left nostril and release the right nostril, exhale through the right nostril. Yes. Once again, inhale from the right nostril. Close the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Once again, inhale from the left nostril. Close the left nostril, exhale to the right. Once again, inhale from the right. Hold the breath, close the right nostril and exhale to the left. Yes, very nice. One last round, inhale from the left. Close the left nostril, exhale to the right. Again, inhale from the right. Close the right nostril and exhale to the left. Yes, very nice. Now release the hand. Okay, come back to normal breathing. Close your eyes, relax. That was Nari Shuddhi. Okay, we'll practice next one, that is Brahmari, okay, or humming bee sound. So here we'll have to close our ears, okay, with the index finger. We inhale deeply and while exhaling, we'll make a ma sound or m sound, okay, at the same time. So inhale deeply and then close the ears. We'll practice for 5 rounds. Close the ears and produce sound. Inhale. Inhale deeply. One more round. Once again. One more round. Last round. Now release the hand. Yes. Release the hand. Keep the hands back on the knees. Relax, eyes closed. That was Brahmari. It helps to clear the mind. It's very good in anxiety or depression. Relax in this posture. Relax in this Sukhasana. And just observe at the sound you're able to hear. Just observe at any sound you're able to hear. The sound of the generator, the birds chirping, or just feel the cool breeze touching your skin. Just relax. Now take back the observation to yourself. Just observe any kind of changes in the body. Observe any kind of changes in the body, whether twitching of the muscle, pain, pulsation, or any itching. Just observe at these sensations. Try not to react to any of the sensations. Just let go. Just let loose. Just relax. Try not to react to any of the sensations. Just let go. Just let loose. Just relax. Now with the eyes still closed, let's conclude. Rub the palms together, make them warm. Rub both your palms together, make them warm. Eyes still closed. Now keep the warm palm on the eyes. Keep the warm palms on the eyes. Keep the warm palm on the eyes. Then release the hand. Then slowly open the eyes. Thank you. So that was the demonstration. Thank you. Please be seated.
Thank you, Dr. Lily and your team. And please remain seated in your place as we request our chief guest to come to the dais. To one more. And I also request Shri Sunil Kumar Savita, Commandant 67 Battalion, CRPF Shillong, to please come to the dais. And I request our Madam Director, SMT FV Kashiying, to please come to the dais. And also I request Assistant Commandant Shri Kamal Kant to please come to the dais. And I request Dr. Nini Toy and Dr. Lily Papia to please facilitate our chief guest with a small memento. Yes, I got it. Please facilitate our chief guest. Our chief guest today is Dr. Joram Bedasa, Commissioner and Secretary Health and Family Welfare to the Government of Meghalaya. And I request Dolly and Dr. Bila Churmang to please facilitate Shri Sunil Kumar Savita, Commandant 67 Battalion, CRPF Shillong. Again, I request Dr. Bila Churmang and Dolly to facilitate our Director of Health Services MI, SMTFV Kashiying. And also I request Dr. Lily Popia Andoli to please facilitate Shri Kamal Khan, Assistant Commander, 67 Battalion CRPF Shillong. And I request Dr. Mrs. Malti Savita, please come to the dais. And also Madam Sidi Lengdo, please come to the dais. Again, I request Dr. Nini Toy and Dr. Bila Chermang to please facilitate Madam Dr. Mrs. Malti Savita with a small memento and small plan. Dr. Lily and Dr. Chermang, please facilitate Madam Sidi Christine. Madam Sidi Lengdo, join the HSMI. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, please be seated. We would also like to facilitate Madam Suparna with a memento and small plan. Once again, a very good morning to each and everyone present here. And on this auspicious day, we gather here for one single purpose, and that is to commemorate the 10th International Day of Yoga with an appealing theme, Yoga for Self and Society. Back to history, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga after recognizing its universal appeal. For society, yoga encourages a culture of health and wellness, and in a short while, more of yoga will be briefed by our yoga experts and physicians. But at this moment, I would like to call upon Dr. Bila Chermang, yoga instructor, 10-bedded Ayush Integrated Hospital, Bohorembong, to please give us a welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to you all present here. It's my pleasure to stand here today to give you a welcome address. First of all, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Joram Beda, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department, Com-Director of Ayush Government of Meghalaya. We welcome you, sir, today for the celebration of the 10th International Yoga Day 2024. Welcome, sir. Secondly, I will also like to welcome Ma'am Suparna Mortani, Senior Faculty, Meditation Coach, State Coordinator, Art of Living. Welcome, ma'am, for being here with us today. I also welcome Dr. Momin, Joint Director, DHS. I will also like to welcome Commandant Sunil Kumar, CRPF, Assistant Commandant Kamal Khan, and all the commandants CRPF for being here today to celebrate with us for the Yoga Day. I extend my warm welcome to the students from the School of Nursing, Civil Hospital and Kanishdas Hospital, Shillong. I also welcome all the Ayush doctors and staff from the Directorate and Civil Hospital, Shillong. Welcome. I will also like to welcome our Director, Dr. F.V. Kharshiyeng, DHSMI. Welcome, ma'am, for your presence today. I extend my warm welcome to Auspicious Protection, Shillong Press Club, and Rotation with Artists Media for being here. I also welcome Dr. Christine from DHS. Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us. I also welcome the owner of LAHAI-ROI Garden and all the team members. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome each and every one of you present here to celebrate with us for the 10th International Yoga Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bila, for such a warm welcome. Now I call upon Madam Supana Mordani to please give us a keynote address.
Good morning, everyone. Our esteemed guests, dear yogis, and beloved friends. So on the glorious occasion of International Yoga Day, we gather to celebrate the profound and transformative practice that has touched the lives of millions around the world. Today, as we come together as a global community, let us delve into the profound significance of yoga, a timeless act that unites us at the level of body, mind, and spirit. For most of us, yoga is a physical exercise. You know, whenever we hear the term yoga, what comes to our mind is certain asanas, some stretches. But no, yoga is way far beyond physical realm. It takes us to the internal realm and it connects us back to our source, which we have lost. You know, see, yoga is part of our existence. Have you seen a small child? A child is yogi in a true form. Does child takes the hurt or a pain for a long time? Have you seen a child taking that pain or hurt for a long time? The moment child will fall, the very next moment you give him a sweet or something, he'll forget the pain. Or if the mother slaps the child will cry for a moment and then after some time, he's laughing. But can we do that? We hold on to grudges, pain, everything for long and ruining our nervous system. So we all were born yogis. But somewhere down, the stress has taken over us and we have lost connection with our own source. And yoga is the only way where you can connect back to your own source, yourself. So yoga has been made very easy for us. So yoga is not just physical exercises. Yoga has 8 limbs. I don't think so most of us know this. Yoga has 8 limbs. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Dhyana, Dharana, Pratyahara, and Samadhi. So Yama is like, having a say over your senses. Niyama is some discipline which we impose on ourselves. Asanas are physical exercises. And you know how they came into existence? When our ancient yogis, saints, rishis, when they came out of a meditative state, they found themselves in a certain posture and they designed and named that posture as some asanas. So, reaching to that state of tranquility, body attains such a state, so they started doing a reverse way, giving us the posture so that we start getting that attainment to that state of tranquility. So that is asanas. Pranayama is about breathing, controlling the breath. Why breath is important in yoga? Because breath is the only source which can bring you to present moment immediately. Otherwise, however you train your mind will ditch you at the last moment. Only through breath you can bring your mind to the present moment immediately. So working over your breathing patterns, control in a controlled manner, that is pranayama. Dhyana, focus, meditation, dharana, different techniques have been given to reach to the state of samadhi, the inner profound state of your inner being. So they are like different 8 legs of a chair. Suppose a chair has 8 legs. You will pull one, the chair will come to you. So if you hold to one also sincerely, maybe discipline, maybe meditation, maybe pranayams, ultimately you will reach to the goal connecting back to yourself. And connecting back to yourself means we all have lot of skills which have been covered. Yoga just opens up those skills. It is said, yoga karma sukoshalam. So that skills develop within us. We become stress-free, we become happy, we become bubbling with enthusiasm and joy. That childlike nature we attain back. And when a person is having that childlike nature, will not give stress to the society, will not become a problem to anyone around. So as the theme goes, yoga for self and humanity, we can uplift humanity by first uplifting ourselves. Do you all agree with this? If we ourselves are stressed, we ourselves are not happy, will we feel like serving the society? Will that come from within us? It will just become a temporary thing, okay, I have to do to get some photo shots and all, done. Put it on the social media. But that service has to come from the core of within. And that happens when one attains self. So yoga takes you to that, bringing skill in action. And yoga also, there's a saying, shloka in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, yoga is chitta vritti nirodha. So all the modulations of our mind, yoga handles that. So what is that yoga cannot give you? So normally we just remember yoga on the World Yoga Day and then done. So today as we celebrate the World Yoga Day, let us take commitment for ourselves and for the society that we need to uplift ourselves. This human birth is very rare. Because our spine is erect. The energy, the chakras can lift the prana up and we can attain that realization. And we have wasted most of our life. Hardly few years more are left, 20, 25 or whatever. Let's get into it now, today itself, and make yoga our life. And it's not religion. For those who think yoga is religion, no. What we are doing, have you seen a banana? What we are doing is, we hold the banana skin. Religion is banana skin, and the fruit inside is banana. What we are doing is, we are throwing the fruit, and we are holding on to the skin, religion. No, yoga is everybody's birthright. So on this yoga day, let us reaffirm, take a pledge for yourself and to reach out to maximum. People are waiting. They need to be uplifted. Okay, so with this I will end my talk saying, let's wake up, shake up the nation. And very important thing, yoga darshan ke liye hai, pradarshan ke nahi. So yoga is for self-introspection, not to show how perfect I am with the posture. So there's no perfect posture in yoga. Whatever your body allows is the right posture for you. So just get onto the mats from tomorrow morning. Today you have done your quota. So from tomorrow, let's all begin. Yeah? And get back to our childlike nature, being yogis. We have done all the mudras as a child. When our spine was growing, we used to do this mudra. Yeah? Children's thumb, no? A small child is born like this, Adi mudra. Most of the child is sleeping like this, chin mudra, right? Or chinmay mudra. So we have done all this. So this is not something alien to us. It is part of ourselves. The moment we take it in our system, see how healing and things starts happening, things starts working for us. So once again, happy Yoga Day. Have a blissful future. And let's make yoga a part of our life. Shri Gurudev. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with more about yoga. And moving forward to the program, due to rearrangement of the dice, we missed one of our madam from the HSMI, and I want Dr. Lily and Dr. Bila to please facilitate Madam Vivian with a memento and a small plant. And now we will come towards the near end of our program, where we'll request our chief guest to give a speech. Our chief guest today is Dr. Joram Beda, sir, a Commissioner and Secretary of the Health and Family Welfare to the Government of Meghalaya. Mission Director of National Ayush Mission as well, and also holding many other responsibilities of other departments. Through the leadership of Sir as Mission Director of NAM, the image of Ayush in Meghalaya has gained an even height. And there are more accomplishments underway which Sir has taken initiative. So Sir, we want to hear some words of encouragement to all of us today. Please take your time.
A very good morning to all of you. Respected Director DHSMI, Dr. F.V. Khashing, Shri Sunil Kumar Ji, Commandant 67 Battalion CRPF, Shri Kamal Khan, Assistant Commandant, Dr. Christine, Joint Director DHSMI, Dr. V. Momin, Deputy Director, Srimati Suparna Mordani, State Coordinator, Art of Living, and other senior officers from CRPF and the Department of Health, other ranks, and my dear students. So Dr. Srimati Suparna just mentioned about yoga being not a pradarshan but a darshan. And that's the reason why we started the yoga demonstrations sharp at 7 a.m. instead of going into the formalities. And we try to keep the formalities as low as possible. Hence, we have few speakers, and the formal program we are doing after the main program, that is the demonstration. And also, I would like to underscore the point that I'm not the chief guest for this program. You are the chief guest. And I hope you have all enjoyed this particular yoga exercise. On this occasion, I would again like to emphasize and underscore the importance of yoga. Yoga being one of the most easily practiced exercise for the non-communicable diseases. We all as doctors, we understand there are limitations so far as the allopathic medicine is concerned. Just by taking lifelong medicines to treat the non-communicable diseases is not the solution. The solution has to come within. And that's the reason why the theme of today's International Yoga Day is Self and the Society. And that's where, again, our Srimati Suparna again mentioned about this, that it has to come from within. And I would request all of you that not only for today, but when you go home, please practice yoga in isolation, and let it be part of your self-discipline protocol, so that we all can live healthy lives. Someone once mentioned that after 40, your warranty period is over. You are on an extended warranty. So those who are young, enjoy your life, but those who are above 40, please practice yoga. Also, I would like to take this opportunity, because there are so many people from Ayush. We have taken a lot of pains, and we have made a lot of efforts, and the Ayush service rules are also finally ready, and hopefully we should be able to do the next round of recruitment also soon. So this is something that you might want to convey to all of your colleagues on a very wonderful occasion such as the International Yoga Day. I'll keep my speech very brief. Given the importance of yoga, the World Health Organization had decided to organize International Yoga Day every year today in the year 2014. So today is the 10th anniversary? Right. So today being the 10th anniversary, this is a very momentous occasion for all of us. We are all part of history. We are promoting our identity to the world. Sharp 7 p.m. we started the yoga demonstration, and it was streamed live in the national portal also, and I believe we have made our mark, we have made our contribution, and this will go a long way in promoting our culture and our identity to the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of encouragement, especially that you mentioned that the service rule is almost about to be ready. Thank you so much. It's ready. Thank you so much, sir. Let's give a big hand to sir for helping us so much. And we hope that very soon that the government will be able to recruit pending vacancies, and after that we believe that sir will help us to create more posts, because there are so many Ayush physicians who have completed their studies. So thank you so much, sir, once again. Okay, we thank Dr. Pala and all the team who is doing all that, and our director, Madam Christine, they also help us so much in the office. Thank you so much. And for a word of appreciation and word of thanks, I request Dr. Lily Papia to please give your time.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of the Yoga and Naturopathy Department, I would like to propose some few words of thanks on this auspicious day. First of all, I would like to thank our chief guest, the Sir Dr. Joram Beda, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Head and Family Welfare Department, and who is also the Director of Ayush, Government of Meghalaya, who despite his busy schedule, he is still able to spare his valuable time to be with us today. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank our special guest, Srimati Suparna Mordani, Senior Faculty, Meditation Coach, and State Coordinator at Art of Living. We are very delighted to have you, madam. Thank you. I would also like to extend my word of thanks to the Commandant of 67 Battalion CRPF, Shri Sunil Kumar Savita, and his wife, Dr. Mrs. Malti Savita. And I also like to thanks to Shri Kamal Khan, who is the Assistant Commandant of 67 Battalion CRPF. Thank you, sirs. I would also like to give my word of thanks to Madam Director, MI, Madam F.V. Kashi, and also Madam V. Momin, Deputy Director of Health Services, and also Madam C.D. Lungdo, Joint Director of Health Services. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to extend my word of thanks to all the officers from the Directorate of Health Services and also the nursing tutors for being able to arrange and move the participant for us. Thank you very much. I would also like to extend my word of thanks to the doctors and staff of the Ayush Department, Civil Hospital, and also my heartfelt thanks goes to the Program Management Unit of National Ayush Mission, without whom this program will not be possible. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the nursing students from Civil Hospital and Ganesh Das Hospital, and also all the 67 Battalion CRPF personnel, and to all the participants present here with us. I'd also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Opus production team, our event management, the Shillong Press Club, the Dudarshan, and all the media persons. Thank you for being here with us today and making this occasion a grand one. Last but not the least, I would like to also give my word of thanks to the owner of LAHAI-ROI Garden, that is Mrs. K.B. Nongri, for granting us this beautiful venue. If I forgot to mention anyone by name, please accept my sincere apologies. And I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to one and all who have contributed to the success of this program. Thank you all. Thank you.
As we close our program, we will not let you go unless you join us for refreshment. So I request Baban Q, Dr. Bala, to please escort our dignitaries to the tentative house just outside for refreshment. All our dignitaries and also tutors from School of Nursing, Civil Hospital and Ganesh Das, please join us in the tentative house. And as for all the participants, please stay at your seat. We will serve you right where you are. And after that, you can go anywhere you want. You can go around the garden and have a photo. And we'll have a photo, group photo. So before we leave, I request sir and all, please, we'll have a group photo on the dais.